Now I'll teach you on the DIY turntable. Just a short recap on our previous lessons with regards to actuator. So once again, an actuator is the device that converts energy into movement. And any motor in general takes in electricity from one end and uses it to rotate the rod at its other end. Now the rod can be connected to some other machine that works when it rotates. You can control two DC motor with evive using menu. The DIY turntable. Now here is an example figure of how a DIY turntable looks like. For the steps, first, take the wheel and stick it in the center of the circle cut from the cardboard using a removable glue. Then, take the chassis, the DC motor and the cable tie. Place the DC motor on the top of the chassis near its end and fasten it using the cable tie. So make sure that the shaft, one side, goes through one of the holes on the chassis. And then, take the wheel and cardboard assembly and fix it on the top of the motor by inserting the shaft into the wheel. Take a piece of paper and cut it into a circular shape. Fix it on the cardboard using binding clips. And then, insert the motor wires in the first motor channel, which is the M1. Then open the menu and navigate to controls, and then look for motors, and then look for motors 1. Control the speed using the potentiometer and direction using slide switch. Now the project here is now complete. Let's make cool drawings. You must put a marker on the rotating paper, now very steadily, and the motor will do the rest of the work. Next, shift the center of the rotating paper or move marker to make creative drawing.